6 feet underground, okay, goes on to right. Do you think they will value my idea in the business considering it's a startup? Absolutely, especially because it's a startup. I mean, I don't know how many of you guys have worked for startups or 6 feet. Maybe this is your first experience with a startup. But yeah, absolutely. I mean, the beauty of startups is that they move so quickly, right? You guys can pivot so quickly. And because of that, sometimes they do some hiring that's maybe not so great, right? I remember the last time I worked for a startup, again, I can't say too many things because I want to protect my clients. But the last time I worked for a startup, it was a Bitcoin startup, and I think the entire team was like 10 people, but they were doing well. They had pretty high sales. They were offering a product related to crypto. Again, I'm trying to protect my clients. But the business development guy that they had hired wasn't so great. As we would say in the U.S., it was his first rodeo, so he had some trouble.